I'm going to be telling you which is better, Fidelity or BlackRock in terms of the best broker and Bitcoin ETF holder in 2025. First off, in terms of brokerage service, for Fidelity Investment, Fidelity is also renowned for its comprehensive brokerage service catering primarily to retail investors, right? It offers a user-friendly platform with a mix of active and passive investment options, extensive educational resources, and robust customer services. Meanwhile, for BlackRock, as the world's largest asset manager, BlackRock primarily focuses on institutional clients. Its investment strategies are deeply integrated with advanced technology and data analytics, exemplified by its Aladdin platform, which combines risk analytics, portfolio management, and trading. Now, what about the ETF offering, right? Now, meanwhile, BlackRock's iShare Bitcoin Trust launched following the SEC's approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs in 2024. IPIT has rapidly become a dominant player in the market. As of early 2025, it boasts approximately $53 billion in assets, making it the largest Bitcoin ETF by a significant margin. Fidelity's Bitcoin ETF has also gained substantial traction, managing around $21 billion in assets, while smaller than IPIT, FPTC benefits from Fidelity's strong retail investor base and reputation for customer-eccentric service. In terms of fees and investor focus, both Fidelity and BlackRock offer competitive fee structures for their Bitcoin ETF, and for investor focus, Fidelity has a strong emphasis on retail investor, providing extensive educational resources and user-friendly tools tailored for individual investors. In contrast, BlackRock's services are more geared towards institutional clients, leveraging advanced technology and data analytics to serve large-scale investors. For individual investors seeking a comprehensive brokerage platform with strong customer support and reputable Bitcoin ETF, Fidelity Investment is a compelling choice. Conversely, BlackRock's iShare Bitcoin Trust stands out for a substantial asset base and cost efficiency, appealing to both institutional and retail investors looking for a robust Bitcoin ETF. Ultimately, the decision between Fidelity and BlackRock should align with your investment goal, preference, and the level of service you require.